Koutou katoa. My name's Steve Giles, the Events and Venues Manager for Taupo District Council. I'm on site down at the Tūrangitukua Reserve in front of the brand new being constructed Tūrangitukua Sports Complex. A facility that'll have changing rooms, toilets, kitchen and a community hall space with a deck that overlooks the playing fields. Last week we hit the milestone of being able to lay the concrete flooring foundation, and this week we see the vertical block work being started and also the timber construction.
Hello, I'm Councillor John Mack. I am one of the two councillors on the Turangi-Tongariro ward. About 3 years ago we had a community meeting after we were given some temporary shipping containers that everybody might remember. I think at that time we wanted to know what the future was going to be for this park, as we are a very sports proud town. Obviously behind me now, the facility that we're building is a $3.2 million facility. So it is actually the community that asked for this, and it's council who have obviously, through great payers, managed to get the money to start this build.
We also have, as part of the construction project, money set aside for security fencing around the park, and also money secured from the Lotteries Commission for an upgrade of the training lights out on the park. Plan is for a roof to be going on in late October, early November, with completion of the project due in early January, all things going to plan with the weather. Certainly in time for next season's winter. A massive thanks to the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board and in partnership with the Tūrangitukua people and Taupo District Council for bringing this project along.